back to the channel, everybody. Brent and I are out on Pensacola Beach chasing the pompano. We hope you like this video. If you do, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get busy.
All right, guys, we just got the last rod put in the water, and I believe we are fish on. Yeah, there's definitely a fish on there. Wasn't an overly big hit, but first thing in the morning, a fish is a fish, you know? We'll take it. And shaking a little bit. Not thinking it's going to be the targeted species, but you never know. We will take a look as soon as he gets in here. Getting close. Here he comes. Here he comes. Couple little hardtails. Dang it. Not what I was hoping to find this morning. Especially when we're feeding these guys ghost shrimp. I'd rather save the ghost shrimp for something that's good, because it's work to get that stuff. I'm gonna get these guys undone, get this rod back out, see if we can get after a few more. All right, guys, I think we're hooked up again down here on the end. The way she's reeling, I think it's still on there. Stayed on?
Yeah, it's down there. It's shaking a lot.
Got a lot of shaking going on, guys. That's a good sign. Those little hardtails that I caught didn't shake too much. A little bit here and there, but coming at the beach, guys.
There it comes.
Coming at the beach. See him yet?
Right there.
Coming. Here he comes. Oh, same thing. Like identical. We are consistent, y'all.
I just wanted to be like you this morning.
Consistency. Well, now we got another rod to bait.
Look who showed up to play today. Mr. Fred, the mascot in the panhandle. He always likes to hang out by the fishermen, trying to get scraps. I'm really hoping he brings us some good luck today. Oh, look at that. That's a good hit. That was a good hit. Did you see it? Yeah, he's still on there.
We'll hit this one, guys. Finally doubled the pole over. Gives you one of those adrenaline something kind of hits. I like it.
I was just talking about how Fred brings us good luck.
Be the right flavor.
Come here, dude. Brent, end pull. End pull.
Oh.
Wrong flavor. That's a big hardtail though. Brent, that end pull's getting hit. Look at that sky. He was that hungry. Hey, both drops. Bottom had ghost shrimp, top had shrimp and the lime green fish bite. That's why he's a big boy in the hardtail world, because he's a pig. Feel good, Brent? You got a catfish? Okay, so now the hardtails don't seem so terrible, do they?
I don't mind the hardtails, I just want pompano.
Thinking it's another hardhead. Oh my goodness, they're gonna just take all our bait today, aren't they? Come on, dude. we go. Hardhead City, and the N1's getting knocked. Jeez. I do believe it's another one. At some point, some bigger fish have to come through, right? Come on, dude. At least this guy was kind enough to leave me some. Oh my goodness.
All right, gang, we're hooked up again. We're trying to get baits back in the water, but these hardtails are not allowing us to. That feels like it looks like a better fish, yeah?
That'd be a bigger hardtail.
Lie to me. Tell me it's a pompano.
Oh, I would be pleasantly surprised. Fish.
Oh my goodness.
Hang on, let me go under you first.
All right, guys, we're doubling up. I don't think this guy got hooked.
4 rods in the water, and all in 2 minutes. Oh, he did get a pump!
Now we're talking.
That's a nice one too. He's a keeper. Definitely will keep. There we go. I was just complaining that we put 4 rods in the water and got a ton of hardheads just stealing our bait. So he hit. That is a green get 'em rig, electric chicken fish bites, and what was on top? Shrimp?
That one just had fish bites.
Oh, well, there you go. Electric chicken fish bites is what got this pump.
Look at this, guys. Look at what Julie did. She found the targeted species.
It's been a while.
It has been a minute.
Right, we have all our poles out of the water because of these hardtails and this one beautiful pump. So we're gonna get him in the cooler, maybe.
After she throws them on the floor. And we're gonna get after a pile more, y'all.
All right, this guy is 12 inches. He's a keeper. He's going in the box.
It's a start, y'all. Hopefully we got a pile more.
I can't slow down. Fred's gonna get tangled up in our hardtails and get a hook in the mouth. Go on, Fred. Still on there. Oh, trying to get sand, please. These fish are not giving us a second to get them. Fred's got hardtails over there too. Here it comes. More hardtails. I'm gonna put a sand flea on this rig, but before I do, I'm gonna pull off his digger. There's a nice egg sac, orange. I always think the egg sacs are gonna be a little bit tastier for the pomps. And I hook them right through. There is a line in their back. I'm hoping you can see it. Right here is a line. That's their scent line. So that's where I come out. The top is a little more ridged to hardest spot on the sand flea. We'll see. I talked to a guy yesterday and he caught a nice permit off of a sand flea. So fingers crossed I find myself one. Brent just threw that rod out and is getting hit. Apparently he thinks it's junk fish because there he goes. Up end rod.
End rod.
I got it. I got it. All right, you guys, let's see what this one is. Our Gulf of Mexico here in the Panhandle has been so covered up with grass lately. You can still see bits and pieces of it on our lines and on the beaches. But really, this is the second time in months that we've even been catching fish because of all this grass. We've been focusing on inshore more. So I'm really not going to complain about all these junk fish. I'm just happy to be back out on the beach and moving and rebaiting, and I wouldn't say enjoying the weather because it's kind of a yucky day, but you can't complain any day you're out fishing.
I mean, if these were pompano or whiting, I would be ecstatic with a day like today. Oh, he's shaking a lot all of a sudden. Come on. Be decent. Oh, another hardtail. Good grief. And he tangled my rig all up. Quick rundown. Julie's getting the last pole rebaited, but I wanted to give you kind of a look at everything we're doing again since it's the first time we've been on the beach in a minute. Obviously, we got the Deerfield cart with us. That is a must. We're running a variety of different rigs today. All open face. There's a fish on right there. All open face Deerfield sand spikes. We're running 3 11-foot Ninja daggers and 1 12-foot Ninja dagger. Everything with sinker guy sputniks. And hopefully, this is a pompano. She's very quiet, guys. Very quiet.
There, now he's fighting.
All right, there we go. Got a little something now.
Flipper is like bright.
Yeah, the dolphins are all over. Woo.
Oh, it just got heavy.
Might have picked up a big tuft of grass.
That's what I'm thinking.
Come on, be a good fish. Be a good fish. Oh, I don't know if you... Yeah, the camera's probably not going to pick them up, guys, but right out there is a ton of dolphins. Here he comes. Here he comes. Hardtail.
Oh, stay on there. Oh, that is not a hardtail. Stay on there, dude. I saw it jump. I'm really hoping it's a pomp. Here he comes. Stay on there. It's not swimming sideways like a pomp would, but we'll find out. It's fighting a little better than the last few. Here he comes, here he comes. Woo, pompano! There we go. I am happy about that. You guys, this pomp came on one of our friends that started tying rigs. It is
Hooked on Reeling.
Hooked on Reeling. I couldn't remember the name. So bottom drop, big float. And that just had electric chicken, Fishbites, no bait.
Good job.
I saw it jump. I figured it was a pop.
I didn't even know you were on.
He's a keeper again.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Get him measured up, y'all.
Oh, my hands are all slimy from that last pump. There we go. I don't know. We'll see what this one is. Watch that pole right next to you. maybe not. There's a dolphin out there too.
A bunch of dolphins. Hardtails and little jacks and whatever else. Maybe they'll scare one away.
Oh, you threw this one way out.
Yeah, I got my big boy casting that one.
It's that north wind. It is getting hit, Brent. Doubling up. No, we're not. I just crossed his line.
Bigger hardtail.
Man, they're not wanting bait.
No, they just went to the...
Yep.
There's got to be a pile of rice on this thing.
Or you have a fish on it. Oh my God! Fred! He could... Fred! No!
Fred, drop it! God bless America! Oh, he dropped it. That dang bird just tried to steal our pompano, y'all.
Dude, I was gonna chase Fred down the beach for that thing. Woo! That's funny.
Oh, I don't want to do any more beach sprints.
It's good for you.
All right, y'all. We're gonna get this back in the cooler.
So for today, because Fred is our best friend, every fish we get, we put in the cooler. I don't care what's happening with the rod.
Yeah, that's true, because he'll steal them.
Jeez. Whoa. What a jerk.
Throw them in the bucket for now, and then I'll take care of them.
No, he took it out.
All right, throw them in the cooler, and then I'll take care of them.
All right.
All right, we got a fish to undo, rods to bait. We have no line in the water, so we got work to do.
Gosh. Fred, me and you are gonna fight today. You better watch yourself, bud. He's like, yeah, right, lady, with his side eye. When Brent and I are going to cast out these big old poles, we tighten down the hatches right here. Seems to definitely help with the distance to get it out deep. And then of course when we are done throwing and put it in our rod holders, we loosen that drag back up. There's no structure here. They're not gonna run into anything and break off. I feel like that end one's getting hit too. Pretty sure mine's a hardtail. Again. Maybe a baby jack. Whew. They are active today, that's for sure. The nice thing about this morning is they're all wanting just synthetics. We stopped throwing our bait out, so we're not losing bait over these trash fish. It's all about the fish bites today.
Got something going on this one, but to be honest, it looks like a catfish bite. And it's fighting like nothing if it's even still on there. Oh, the dolphins are coming in close now, chasing all these hardtails that we're catching. Let's see, it's there. I can't tell what it is though. Oh, I called it. Stinking cat. Dang it.
Brent just caught that cat down there. They know I don't like him at this point.
I love catfish.
He can have them all.
All right, guys, we're hooked up. That actually was a little bit better hit. We're still trying to get all of our rods back in the water from that double up we just had.
Come on.
She's talking to it, guys. She's sweet talking it, trying to turn it into a pompano before it gets to the beach. They're around. Fall is right around the corner, and so is the fall run.
Oh, the fall run started on the other side. We're just waiting for our turn.
Yep, they'll be here soon enough. Is it shaking at all?
No. He was in the beginning.
Come on.
Heavy though.
It's got some weight to it, guys. Got a little weight to him. I haven't seen it yet. Oh, it doubled up again. Man, we are excellent.
It's a fish salad.
We are awesome. What do you think, guys? Should we title this video "How to Catch Hardtails All Day Long"?
Probably not.
I thought for sure she was going to hit me in the face with that fish.
We were just getting the last set of rods corrected after the hardtails and catfish.
As soon as Julie gets this one in, we're not going to have any rods left in the water.
Keeps happening this morning. It's a busy morning.
Do something good.
Grass. Here he comes.
Little jack. New species. Julie caught a jack.
I want a big jack, not these little ones. Well, we know there's a lot of fish swimming around this morning. It's making us grind, making us put in the time to keep our lines in the water. They're cool looking fish. When they get big and they're running the beaches, you'll find me out here chasing them with a ES lure.
Okay, I think we're hooked up on another one. The grass is rapidly about to chase us out of here. It's getting really bad. To the point where...
Maybe like this pole, once I reel it in, it'll stop.
Yeah. So I think we might just bring them in one at a time and start heading for the house here in a minute. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that salad fish. Good grief.
Okay, but at least we had a little window.
Yeah, we got some palms. We accomplished what we came out here to do. Wanted to get a little something for dinner, a little something for when we got company in town. Not a whiting to be had all day.
No. Poor Brent.
Julie is the queen of the doubles today, y'all. Queen of the doubles.
Guys, we're heading home. This grass is terrible. The skies are about to open up. But until next time, y'all keep it real.